Ever wished you could transform raw data into stunning visuals that practically scream insights? Okay, let's dive into showing data effectively in Tableau, covering the basics for crafting compelling visualizations. First, you'll need data. Connect to it using the available options in Tableau now. Understand your data, identify the different data types and fields. Choose your chart type wisely. Different chart types are suited for different purposes. Use bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends over time, and pie charts to visualize proportions. Experiment. Now, drag and drop your dimensions and measures onto the rows and columns shelves. Tableau will automatically generate a basic chart. Customize your chart. Use format options to change colors, add labels, adjust axes, and refine your overall look. This ensures clarity and helps highlight the key information. Add interactivity to engage your audience. Use filters to allow users to focus on specific subsets of data, and incorporate tooltips to provide rich data points when hovering. And there you have it, a well-formatted and interactive visualization to enhance data-driven decision-making. Thanks for watching.